Welcome to a week's worth of pasta!
What day is it?
Day 4! One of my favourite flavour combinations is smoked salmon and cream cheese. Whack it in a bagel, happy days. Whack it in pasta, hello my friend. But we're going to liven it up and brighten up the flavour with a cheeky drizzle of pesto as well. What's not to love? I've cooked that pasta to perfection. Oh, it's really working.
Remember to...
Oh!
They might want to know how to cook it.
It's really easy. You've seen it before. Let's get cooking.
Now, if I'm the first person to tell you that Philadelphia makes a great pasta sauce, I'm not entirely sure where you've been, but I take great honour in introducing you to this fantastic midweek hack. Simply let down your Philadelphia with pasta water to your desired consistency, and there you have it, pasta sauce any day of the week. I've gone full nostalgia in kids' dinner by using pasta shells as well, but I have elevated it to the adult level using some smoked sockeye salmon. This brand, unbelievable. Honestly, where has this been all my life? Now, I know not everyone is a fish person, so you can skip out this stage, but smoked salmon and cream cheese, hello, perfect combination. If you take the salmon out, however, please don't leave out this stage of adding on some basil pesto. That herbaceous nuttiness against the creaminess. Oh my gosh!